Today in Writing Workshop, you are going to look at your brainstorm from yesterday and you are going to think of a way to put it into a paragraph. And in order to do that, you're going to look at your bullet points, or some of you may have chosen to do a bubble map, but you're going to look at your ideas and you are going to ask yourself, do any of these go together, or are any of these related? For example, my first bullet point, I enjoy the whole process, is related to my last bullet point of the fact that I like seeing all the individual ingredients turn into a meal. I feel like both of those are related to the process of cooking. So when I go to put my ideas into a paragraph form, I want to make sure that I am putting these ideas in an order that makes sense for my reader. So I'm not just going to take each of these bullets and just recopy them. I have to think a little bit about it first. So after I did that, I came up with a paragraph, and you are going to be writing this in your writing journal underneath your brainstorm from yesterday. So here is my paragraph about cooking. I feel passionate about cooking because I enjoy the whole process. I like seeing all the individual ingredients turn into a meal. I also feel passionate about cooking because it's something I can do for my family and it makes them happy. In addition to making them happy, I can choose healthy foods to cook for my family so they can eat nutritiously. Another reason I enjoy cooking is because I can experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Finally, I feel passionate about cooking because I can share recipes and try out recipes from other people. So you'll notice that I used some transition words such as I feel passionate about, and I also feel passionate about, in addition to, another reason, finally. I also chose to use the synonym enjoy instead of just repeating I feel passionate about, so that my writing was a little bit more enjoyable for my reader to read. So again, today you're going to use your brainstorm from yesterday, think about any ideas that go together, and then put your ideas in an order that makes sense for your reader in a paragraph form. Let your teacher know if you have any questions.